All right, guys, Valentine's Day is coming up, so I decided to make a heart pizza. Yes, it might not be the best shaped heart, but it's a heart pizza. And if you would like to see how I did this, continue watching. So here are all the ingredients that I am using today. I will leave a list of everything down below in the description box. Yes, my dough came from Publix. It was already made. So I just got my pizza pan. I sprayed it with some Pam cooking spray because I don't want my pizza crust to stick to the bottom of the pan. So just spray it just to be on the safe side. Get my pizza dough out. And you have to cut it into the shape of a heart. Yeah, I had a little bit of a struggle, but I ended up figuring it out. Like I said, it might not be the best shaped heart, but it was good enough for me. It was my first time doing it. And I don't care about the shape because the damn pizza came out so good with all of the seasonings and everything mixed together so well. So yes, guys, this is what I'm doing right here. I am cutting out my pizza. I think this is so cute to do with your kids, or if you're in a relationship, you and your significant other can do this together. It's just something fun for Valentine's Day, you know, show love, and that's what this pizza is doing right here. So I am just making sure I cut it out correctly, and then I'm gonna pull all of the extra pizza dough off so that I can form my heart a little better once all the extra dough is cut off. I have some melted butter with garlic and with minced garlic and parsley, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm putting that all over my pizza dough because I wanted to make sure my pizza dough was seasoned very well, okay? I want tasty pizza, not bland pizza. So then I'm going to take my pizza sauce, spread it all over my heart pizza. And then once that's done, I'm going to season my sauce. So I'm using the grated Parmesan cheese. You can use freshly grated if you want to. It's up to you. Then I'm going to add my garlic and herb seasoning, onion powder, and Italian season. And once that's done, we're going to add on our cheeses. As you can see, I used a few different cheese. So yes, I'm using Italian shredded cheese, Colby Jack, and mozzarella. So I am spreading that all over my pizza. Hey, use as much cheese as you would like. I like my pizza to be real cheesy. So as you can see, I put a lot of cheese on my pizza. I'm going to add some parsley, and then I'm going to do half of my pie with turkey pepperoni. You can use pork pepperoni if you want to, but I don't eat pork, so I'm using some turkey pepperoni on one side because my kids, you know, they don't like it. So guys, I'm going to put this in the oven on 350 for 25 minutes. And this is my outcome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. You already know, like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comment section if you're going to make this heart pizza. See you guys next time. Bye.